Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Venmo to Shopify. Of course, how to add this as a store if you are a store owner or if you just want to pay with it. So for both ways, normally you will need PayPal. So if you don't have that, may want to create that first. So other than that, you'll have to go and open a browser, go to shopify.com, hit the enter button. Of course, it didn't went to shopify.com. It's fine. So shopify.com and log in into your account. If you have an account, as you can see at the top right corner, and if you don't have an account, go and create an account. So once you're here, what you need to do is simply go to this left panel, go to the bottom settings, and you'll find yourself here. If you go to payments, as an example, you can simply go and connect your PayPal account. And as I said, you can connect like Venmo directly. So if you're trying to add another payments method and you look for Venmo, you will not find even Venmo here, even here as an example. So basically, you can connect it using PayPal. And of course, you can simply connect your PayPal account to your Venmo account and it will be connected to your store. Other than that, if you want to pay in another Shopify store, as an example, I don't know, like you can look here for Shopify stores or something like that. I don't know if I'll find here a store, something like that. So basically, just look for a store. So, as an example, I found this store right here. And normally, if I go to the bottom of the page, I'll find the payments methods or okay, it's not here. But anyway, I'll try, as an example, to buy something. And yeah, buy it now, not add to card, like buy it now. They will basically take me there and you'll show me like the payments providers that they have. And as you can see, they don't have Venmo. They basically have a PayPal or other stuff. So you need to connect to your PayPal, then you'll be able to start paying. Then you will be able to add Venmo to your Shopify. If you want this as a store, I showed you how. And if you want to pay with it, it's very simple as well. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.